Hi, myself Monica from MIT College, Mysore. Now I'm going to discussing the concept of file system in operating system. Let us know what do you mean by files. Files or file system. File system is one of the most important part of the OS to a user. Then let us know what is the meaning of file. File is the collection of data created by users. This is the definition of file. Then we know property. What are the properties of file? Long term existence means file are stored on disk or other storage and does not disappear when a user logs off. It means whatever the files or data stored in the storage device, that will be saved in the computer. It will not disappear when user logs off. Then second property is shareable between processes. Files have names and can have associated users permission that permit control sharing. Means file have name, it will saved by the name, and it is associated with associated access permission that permit control sharing. Then another property is structure. Files can be organized into hierarchical or more complex structure to reflect the relationship among files. These are the three properties of files. Let us know file system. It provide a means to store data organized as files as well as a collection of functions that can be performed on file. Maintain a set of attributes associated with the file. This is known as file system. Then the operation involved in file is create, delete, open, close, read, write. These are the operations involved in file. Create, it means create the file. Delete, delete the file. Open, use it to open the file. Close, after the open the file, we want to exit. In that time we close the file. Read, whatever the content in the file that can be read by the user. And write, whatever the content in the file we want to edit those content, we use write operation. These are the operations of the file. Let us know file structure. Files can be structured as a collection of records or as a sequence of bytes. Unix, Linux, Windows, Mac OS consider file as a sequence of bytes. In this way, file can be structured in operating system. Four terms are commonly used when discussing files. It means file, field, record, file, database. These are the four terms discussing in the files. Let us know what is field, database, files, record. Field, it is the basic element of data. It contains only one value. It means it contains single value. It is fixed or variable length. Means it is fixed or depending upon the variable's length. In second, database. Collection of related data is called database. Relationship among elements of data are explicit. This is our database concept. And files is the collection of similar records. It treated as a single entity, may be referenced by name. It means file can be stored by different names and it is treated as single entity. Then record is a collection of related fields that can be treated as a unit by some application program. It means record is treated as unit, means one, by some application program. The one field is the key, a unique to identifier. This is our four terms involving the file concept. Thank you.